You know, Christmas I always. So Christmas I always look forward to going to friends' houses who my Christian friends, especially because उनके घर पे हमेशा बहुत amazing decoration होती है और the vibe is just too beautiful. So I have a lot of musician friends. A lot of people I've played with or they have played in my band. मैं उनके घर जाती हूँ और हमेशा they have amazing treats and plum cakes and cookies and all of those things, and then I, like a child, also go and pick myself a present from the sock. So yeah, I get to do all of that. Now Santa doesn't come home anymore, मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ. So yeah, but otherwise I don't remember celebrating Christmas in any different way. It's always been about being with friends and going to the church and just a lot of candles and just a lot of happiness. Yeah.
And what's going on professional front? Are you working on any project right now?
Yes, well, 2 दिन पहले ही टी सीरीज़ मिक्सटेप पंजाबी में मेरा एक गाना रिलीज़ हुआ है जो एपिसोड नंबर 3 था, एंड आई हैव हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ कोलैबोरेटिंग विद the wonderful and the very jovial and the legendary Harbhajan Mann Sahab. As a child, I've grown up hearing his music, and as a Punjabi girl, I've always really, really enjoyed hearing his songs. And getting the opportunity to do a mashup with him on his original song was just a plus for me. I really, really enjoyed myself. And Galla Goriyan Te Vich Toy and Aaja Soniye का mashup है, जिससे हमने जितने मज़े से रिकॉर्ड किया है, अभिजीत वघानी ने इसका रिक्रिएशन किया है, एंड उतने ही मज़े से इसको शूट भी हमने किया है. सो it was a lot of fun. Can you just ask people to keep quiet that side?
Please silence.
Silence please. आवाज आ रही है. शांत रहने को है. भगवान सर बोलिए शांत रहने के लिए. अरे थोड़ा चुप रहने को ना.
5 मिनट साइलेंस हो जाए प्लीज.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to, in fact, really enjoying and feeling very grateful for the kind of reviews जो हमें मिले हैं गला गोरियाँ और आजा सोनिए के मैशअप के लिए. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है अभी तो झटपट से जाइए और देखिए, सुनिए ये गाना.
डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म इज आल्सो ग्रोइंग बाय लीप एंड बाउंड्स, तो वो कितना हेल्प करता है एस्पायरिंग या कोई स्टैब्लिश सिंगर्स को अपने टैलेंट को शोकेस करने में?
I think it's about the whole digital revolution that has happened in our country. It's not just helping the new people. Of course it's helping the newcomers, because जब मैंने शुरुआत करी थी तो हमारे पास में ये बिल्कुल ये साधन नहीं था. पहले होता था कि आप किसी म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टरी में से नंबर ढूंढें, किसी को फ़ोन करें, और अगर गलती से उन्होंने फ़ोन उठा लिया तो शायद कहीं जाके एक अपॉइंटमेंट मिल जाएगी, वो भी पता नहीं होगी कि नहीं होगी. सो इट वाज डैम टफ. Now what is easier is the access. So you can record a selfie video and you can put it up on YouTube, and you can cross your fingers and hope that you will be discovered one day if you are good. And ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है कि people from YouTube have gotten the opportunity to sing for Bollywood films and straight be the voice for somebody really big, which is incredible. And that is the whole power of this digital revolution. But at the same time, I feel it's not just for newcomers. I think it's great because सब कुछ अगर at the touch of a button अगर available है तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, because दुनिया सच में सिमट गई है. ऐसा किसी के पास में भी हम सब में से घर पे बैठ के टेलीविज़न देखने का ना टाइम है और ना इंक्लिनेशन रह गई है. सो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ अवेलेबल टू यू ऑन योर फोन डिजिटली.
Besides you, your two sisters are also in the creative field of that as well. You discuss all the creative work you do in the future as well. How does it help out?
So of course, earlier when I started my career, it was me and my parents discussing everything, because my sisters were very young. They are very young even right now, but they're doing so well for themselves. Sukriti and Prakriti have already got some really popular big film songs, and their future's looking extremely bright, and they are extremely promising. And as a sister, I feel so proud to see them blooming and to see them grow and being loved by everybody. तो हम लोग बैठ के जब भी कुछ उनका गाना रिलीज़ होता है या मेरा रिलीज़ होता है, या हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग रिकॉर्ड करके आते हैं, या मैं ओरिजिनल कॉम्पोजिशंस कर रही हूँ आजकल, तो मैं कुछ बनाती हूँ तो उनको सुनाती हूँ, और वो कुछ लिखते हैं तो मुझे बताते हैं, या कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग शो पे एक्सपीरियंस हुआ होता है तो वो भी हम सब शेयर करते हैं. सो इट्स ग्रेट दैट यू नो यू गेट अ बाउंसिंग बोर्ड विद इन द फैमिली लाइक दैट.
Okay, so 2017 end होने जा रहा है. So what sort of memory you gonna take in 2018?
You know, I am a very hopelessly optimistic person, and I don't count how great or how okay a year has been depending on the monetary achievements that one makes. Fortunately, the year has been great and it's been very, very kind to me. But at the same time, I believe in just taking forward the memories that I have made in 2017. I've done some amazing concerts, I've made some amazing friends, I've eaten some amazing food, I've traveled to some beautiful places. So I think I just hope that I can up this game in the next year.
Okay, so any sort of New Year resolution you have set?
20 minutes before coming here, as my husband is here only somewhere, I often get a migraine, so he was telling me, listen, you should work out more often, because I know you don't get too much time in all the travel, etc. But you know, if you focus on your health a little more, maybe 2018 you'll get less migraines. So I think this taking care of my health and not just running around working is going to be my resolution.
Okay, amazing. So it's a Christmas Eve. So any sort, अभी आपने mixtape में भी mashup करके आई हैं. So any sort of Christmas mashup you want to sing for your fans?
Ooh, yeah, Christmas or Diwali or any other festival na, I think for me is essentially about having fun, letting your hair down, and just being with people you love and just enjoying the moment. So I think any song can sort of be a great song to party on. It's Christmas, it's fun time.
So anything you can sing for your fans for Christmas Eve?
So let me sing. ये जो नया मैशअप आया है, तो क्या हो गया अगर पंजाबी गाना है, तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑन क्रिसमस ऑल्सो, लाइक आई डांस ऑन पंजाबी म्यूजिक ऑल द टाइम, सो आई एम गोना बी सिंगिंग अ कपल ऑफ लाइंस ऑफ दैट. जलवा तेरा जलवा जैसे तूफान है जाना, चेहरा तेरा चेहरा मेरी पहचान है जाना, गल्ला गोरियां ते विच टोए असी मर गए नी ओए होए, हो गल्ला गोरियां ते विच टोए असी मर गए नी ओए होए, ओए होए दुहाए पै गई कुड़ी कड के कालजा, कड के कालजा ले गई. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.